What's happening, guys? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I've discovered something that's local and I'm really excited about. You know, I've tried a lot of different instant meals in the past. One of my favorites has been Soylent, and you know they're a open source food product, and you can get them in liquid or powdered form and make a meal replacement. But I discovered this company, SimpleShake, and it's kind of a very similar thing, but it's all vegan. Look at all the cool stuff that's in this, right? So there's no soy, it's coconut milk, and there's protein, and you know, it's really healthy, and it is literally a meal replacement. Not only that, it's also Chicago based here, so River Grove, Illinois. So these guys are neighbors to me, and you can use these to replace meals, for weight loss, for convenience. You know, I like it for all of those things, and actually starting to go back on that diet, get into that summer body, you know what I'm saying? And so SimpleShake is something that I'm going to start using in big form here very soon. And in fact, I've got some SimpleShake stuff that I'm going to be eating over the next few weeks, so I'm really excited about that. In fact, stick around, I'll tell you how to get a discount on SimpleShake, and an interesting giveaway we've got coming up here about SimpleShake, so stay tuned for that. But SimpleShake is really cool. It comes in some different flavors here. What I've got is chocolate, and it comes in a powder, and so you can mix the powder kind of at a ratio that fits you, and you just mix it with water, or as they also say on the instructions, you can mix it with almond milk and just really stay vegan. Now, the other thing I thought I could do is, if you don't really care about staying vegan, you know, you might be able to mix it with soy milk, which I really enjoy, especially on my cereal and things like that. So you could kind of mix it up. Now, one of my buddies, actually, that I used to work with, Brian, used shakes like this for meal replacement, because during the day we were super busy. We just didn't have time to run out for meals. In fact, sometimes I had to ask my assistant to go out and grab me some food and bring it to me, because I had to work right through the day. That's just kind of the nature of a lot of busy people these days. And so a product like this, SimpleShake, is great because you can have it in your desk, kind of mix up a meal quickly, drink it, not interrupt yourself. You've got kids going to sports or whatever, you know, mix up a drink, you know that you're getting all the protein and nutrients that you need, but you're not having to sit down and prep a meal. You could drink it in the car, drink it on your commute, drink it at your desk, whatever. So convenience is great. And then the other thing is, you know, you're not getting a lot of bad stuff, right? So many times we go to fast food places because it's easy and it's quick, and you're just getting usually like saturated fats and all sorts of other stuff that you don't need. And you don't need to do that, man. You know, this is not only easy to do, we'll find out how it tastes here, but it's also can be really cheap. Now, you can pick up a package like this, which is going to be like 3 meals, or a package like this, which I think is like, I don't know, like 15 meals or whatever, and the prices will vary. You know, obviously the bigger you go, the cheaper it'll get, but anywhere from like $6 to just a little over $4 a meal, right? You can't go to McDonald's and get a meal for that cheap. So I think, you know, things like this, like SimpleShake, has a huge advantage over, you know, just fast food drive-through. All right, now that being said, the big question is, you know it's good for you, you know it's got all these great things in here for you. The question is, will you actually eat it or drink it, right? And as I open up this bag here so that we can check it out, I want to also say something else about Brian. You know, it just depends on my buddy who lost a lot of weight, kind of had a lot of weight control using shake-like drinks. You know, didn't necessarily adhere to, you know, a strict mantra about it. You know, he wasn't trying to be vegan. He was just trying to be healthy. He was trying to, you know, work through lunch and be quick about things. And so he actually would use a little water, a handful of ice, kind of make a smoothie out of it, throw like a handful of cherries and raspberries and stuff in there to give it a little more pop. And so you don't have to necessarily make it vegan, but if you are vegan, then it's all a one-stop shop thing here. So first of all, what I have here is a blender bottle. It's for shaking up things, which I'm really excited about. Comes with this little stainless steel agitator in there, and this one is a small one. It's like a 13 or 14 ounce max. I'm not going to make the whole thing here. I'm going to make about 10 ounces because it's dinner time and I need a meal. And basically what the instructions say is that mix 1 to 2 scoops of SimpleShake with 10 to 12 ounces of almond milk or water. Shake and enjoy. Now, I'm going to go a little light on this because this is my first time tasting SimpleShake, and I don't want to waste any. Look at that. That's what it looks like in there, man. It's actually not as dark as I thought it would be. You know, and it kind of smells a little bit like a power bar. There's a little hint of chocolate, but maybe a little, I don't know, like wheatgrass, alfalfa, really like mild. It kind of smells like a granola bar, to be really honest. So I'm pretty excited about it. I've got this little scooper here. I'm gonna fill it up. Give it a generous fill, but not overfill it. All right. So I got a generous fill of SimpleShake. Now I'm going to just seal this back up so I don't drop any of it. It says 1 scoop is 32 grams. I hope so. All right, so let's go ahead and make this bad boy. Got the SimpleShake material in there, and I'm just going to use water because I don't want to adulterate the SimpleShake taste with anything like an almond milk or a soy milk or anything yet. I'm just going to use plain old regular drinking water, and I'm going to give it 10 ounces here. Right up to the 10-ounce line. And then we will cap this sucker off. All right, nice and tight. And now I'm gonna give it a shake. My arm isn't used to doing this motion, so I might have to switch off. You know what? This thing works well, dude. I mean, this thing looks like it's shook already. Looks like it's pretty well mixed up. I'm kind of impressed. I mean, I kind of expected it to take more time than that. I was gonna edit this out for time purposes. I'm just gonna give it a couple extra shakes here just in case. All right, so first of all, I wanna open it up. Normally I just pop the top and drink it out of the top, but I wanna show you what it looks like and tell you what it smells like. It still smells like a granola bar, you know? I mean, I've got bubbles in there. That's not what it's, you wouldn't have to worry about that. I still have a little bit of like undissolved powder. I'm sure that additional shaking would help that out. Obviously it's gotten pretty thick. It's totally opaque now, but it's got a little bit of a brown, call it like a greenish brown tinge to it. So let's see what it tastes like. Ooh. That's pretty good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a liquid granola bar to me, man. I mean, the funny thing about that standard Soylent is I hate the taste of the unadulterated Soylent. It just, I can't drink it. It tastes like too chemically. I mean, it just tastes bad. This definitely has some taste to it. It's got a little chocolate taste. It's got a little like alfalfa, wheatgrass taste. I don't know. Let me look at the list of stuff that's in here. Organic superfood powder, natural green powder, the cacao powder. I can definitely taste that. Brown rice, organic pea protein, organic hemp protein. I think what I can taste is the cacao powder and the natural greens. Maybe a hint of the cinnamon. I mean, you know, it's like, I don't know. It just tastes like those hard granola bars that I used to take camping. Pretty good, man. And wow, that was super easy to do. Dude, I'm doing this real time. I'm not going to edit any of this out just so you can know what the experience is. I mean, this whole video is going to be under 10 minutes. So obviously to take a scoop, add some water, and drink this up is going to be super quick. So anyway, I'm glad I've got these things, man. I'm going to be drinking these. I mean, I don't know. I'm probably halfway done already. And it's just kind of a guilt-free tasting meal. You and I are sharing a meal right now. So anyway, whether you're trying to gain weight, whether you're trying to lose weight, whether you're trying to find food that's convenient, something that you can store with you, I mean, check it out. SimpleShake. I think this is pretty exciting. I love the fact that it's in a powder too, that I don't have to order big cases of a liquid drink. Now, the best part about this is that if you want to order it, you can simply go to SimpleShake.com and use the promo code Peter Von Panda, all one word, Peter Von Panda. That'll get you 10% off your next purchase. But on top of that, I'm going to hook someone up with a small package of SimpleShake via this video. So I'm going to give this away. We'll mail it to someone. You've got to be in the United States or Canada. That's the restriction. You've got to be of age to be able to receive it. And I take no legal responsibility if you get sick or don't like it or whatever. All right. So this is going to be a brand new unopened package of the chocolate SimpleShake. So hopefully you can try it out and like it. And if you're vegan, this is something that's going to be right up your wheelhouse. Now, I will say that we will give this sucker away let's call it next Saturday, which I think is June 16th. I'm not sure about that, but whatever the Saturday is closest to June 16th, 2018. Comment down below. Put your name and the state you live in. And if you're living in Canada, put the province that you live in so that I know that it goes to Canada or the United States, because that's the only places I can afford to ship this stuff to. And then I will pick one random winner on June 16th and send this out to you so that you can give SimpleShake a try. But otherwise, if you want to give SimpleShake a try sooner, just go to SimpleShake.com, pick it up. Pretty good. Pretty healthy. Peter Von Panda, out!